This very large pack of Vailnd square air fryer liners is ideal for frequent home cooks who want a long-lasting supply for everyday meals and gatherings. The 8-inch square shape with raised sides fits many medium to large capacity air fryers and oven pans, so you can line baskets and trays without awkward trimming. The liners are made from unbleached, food-safe parchment with a silicone coating that does not affect flavor, which is reassuring when cooking for children or guests. They are noticeably thicker than many generic liners and hold up well to high cooking temperatures without scorching, tearing, or getting soggy from steam or oil. Because the surface is non-stick and grease-resistant, most foods release cleanly, and the basket underneath stays much cleaner, cutting post-dinner scrubbing to almost nothing. These disposable sheets also work well in ovens, steamers, and microwaves, making them a versatile helper for roasting, baking, reheating, and keeping cookware in good condition.